Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present to you the new chapter of My Sick Sister Is Always Miss Me. Chapter 17, so here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Yulian and Wenjiao. The two of them goes to the party. Yulian is the one holding Wenjiao. Everyone was looking at them. Some of it got curious. Julian, as a head of Su family, eldest daughter, right now, everyone's attention was on her. Why are you here? I can make an appointment with you during this period. If I have known you were coming. Now, this girl is approaching Julian. Well, what a pretty lady she is. Right now, she's been curious. Julian, who is this? It was pertaining to Wenjiao. Well, maybe. This is the first time they've seen Wenjiao in front of the public with Julian. Julian said to her, "Let me introduce her. She is my sister, Su Wenjiao. My sister hasn't publicly acknowledged our relationship for a long time. Oh, looking at Wenjiao right now, she is really behaving well. She was only on the side. I never seen it before. Haven't you seen it now? She, the second daughter of the Su family. My sister, do you understand?" Julian said to the girl, "Oh, right now it seems the one the public knows that they really have a second sister of the family. Right now, Wenjiao, remember that my sister is still so protective of her. Now, she remember what happened in the past, but she always get protected by Julian. I first arrived at the Su family, was afraid of being thrown back to my adoptive parents. I obediently obey all of the adults' arrangement and secretly observes everyone, strive to gain their protections and favor. Among them, the one most familiar with is the eldest daughter of the Su family, Su Yulian. She has a good upbringing. She has the innate coldness of the class in her bones and a little bit cruel kindness. She is very kind to me." Well, on that time, Su Wenjiao thinks that Yulian only fitted her. She was always get protected, and Yulian always sticks to her. Treat her like her own sister. It seems to be the relationship is really getting better. After a while, she got bored and went looking for those rich girls from the same family as her. As for me, I was too weak to do anything but sit and wait for her. Oh, it turns out it was suddenly changed from time to time. But, sister, you are here. At that time, she was only my spiritual support in strange environment. So, from being happy, both being aloof. Because Julian, back then, seems that she really get bored on her. That time, Wenjiao, she was always happy seeing her. "Sister, from now on, I am really your sister." That day, she was holding something. Well, it seems that it was a registry that names her a member of Su family. What is the true or false? Why are you so running so fast? You're so silly and weak. Soon, the Su family held a birthday party for me to announce my status as a second daughter of the Su family. What era is this which people still wears this kind of hair accessories? It is tacky. Look, this poor girl is crying in anger. She fell down as soon as I think she's not the only loser but also sickly person. Everyone is laughing at her. That time, Julian protected her. Why don't you try to curse again? Don't you know who she belongs to? Who are you to scold her? Well, it was really great then. She really protected her younger sister. At that time, I found that she was extremely protective of her shortcomings and can bear to see me being teased by the others. Well, what a good sister she is back then. Have you seen enough? Right now, Julian was asking Wenjiao. Well, at least right now. Mood suddenly changed, remembering what happened before. Right now, the two of them seems to be fine now. Wenjiao said to her, "Sister, I'm fine. It's best if you're okay. You're my sister, so don't let me down today." Julian said to Wenjiao. Well, Wenjiao, she was really listening to her. Right now, she was looking at her. "Well, don't worry, sister." "Sister, but what I want is not only the identity of the sister, but also a lover." Oh, this is really strange, right? Right now. Wenjiao is a little bit crazy. "Oh, Director Yang is here. Come in quickly." "Mr. Lee, long time no see." Julian said to Mr. Lee. Right now, it seems that Wen Zhao needs to expose on something so everyone can know her identity. Almost everyone has arrived. I'll go over and have a chat. You can follow me closely, Julian said to her. Well, it was really great. Wen Zhao is really acting behave. Hello Uncle Yang, I just graduated and plan to do. This is my business card, I hope you can accept it. Uncle Xiang, I have many questions, just the number below is my sister. You can contact her in the same way. Monthly, you can think about it again. You can contact me anytime here. My contact information. After 1 hour, it seems that I'm finding the new investor. Oh no, I've been busy lately and my nerves are starting to hurt again. Wen Zhao said to herself. Julian is busy. Future investors of the company of Wen Zhao. Right now, finally, Julian said she was finished sending it. So when it looked like she was really happy. Maybe they really got a lot of investors. Also right now, she was looking for Wen Zhao since she already finished on making business transaction. Right now, she needs to find Wen Zhao so the two of them can came back. But when she was finding her, Wen Zhao is nowhere to be found. Turns out Wen Zhao really came to the comfort room. It seems that there's something wrong with her. She was walking and she feels so shaky. Well, turns out Miss Gu was there. What's wrong with you? Are you sick again? I'll take you to the hospital. Oh, this is really troublesome. If Julian sees this, maybe she will really get angry and jealous again. Right now, Zhao Zhao said, I'm too tired. Well, looking at her, she looks really uncomfortable. Miss Su, she was the only person to see her on the state like this. Well, so Julian can see her. But of course, Zhao Zhao she really want to refuse her. Oh, this is not good. Still, Miss Gu is really insisting herself. I want to help you, so don't worry, it wasn't. Suddenly, there's someone who's screaming and said to them, stop. It turns out it was Julian, who timely arrived on the scene. What do you want to do to her? Julian said to Miss Gu. She was holding Wen Zhao. She lost her consciousness. Well, let's see what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!